how to be a business, an individual, and a product. Now, in order for us to exactly capitalize off of being a independent welder or a independent iron worker or independent millwright or whatever it is that you're doing, you must first realize three facts in order to get established, in order to get an income and to get established properly. I mean, honestly, this right here, honestly, have hit me hard, to the fact where I'm always thinking of ways to do this and to do it where I can be able to show you how to do it correctly, so that way you can save yourself some headaches. So you want to be a business, and when I say a business, it's cool to be a sole proprietorship, but I would say personally, be an LLC. Start off with an LLC or whatever you want to call it. Get an LLC. That's your business. Your individual, you. Okay, until you get to where you want to get to, you can use yourself. And even once you get to a certain level, some people still, use themselves because they just like to hustle. You know what I mean? They just like to work in a certain area if they get paid good in the field that they, enjoy doing. So if you're doing something you enjoy doing, you can stick to it and still get that money while you're building your business. And then you want a product of some kind, t-shirts, some type of wood, metal, sculpture or something. You know what I'm saying? Some type of artwork, something you can sell that is needed in a community or on a vehicle or with a trailer or whatever it is that you're trying to sell. A product is very much needed when trying to get on your feet and get established good, because it can sell and make money when you're sleeping. It can make money while you're working and making money. It can make money while you making money and your business is making money. You see what I'm saying? So this product is very important, and once you get it and you get it going and you start selling it, then you can get everything done, like your trademark and everything and your copyrights and everything. You see what I'm saying? But you first have to get it formed up and show that it works and that you're actually making a profit on it to get your trademark. But you can go on and get it copyrighted though, like the name or whatnot. So get all of that in line. So try to think, three-dimensional when you're setting it up. I know it might sound hard for a lot of us who, not familiar with the system like I wasn't. So watch some YouTube videos on how to set everything up when that time comes. But before then, just think of to keep it simple, and just think of something you can sell, something you can make and it's yours. A design, a image, or something that you can sell, and then, you can be able to own it to be able to pass down to your kids. Think about it. This product can outlive you. It will outlive you if it's a good product. You see what I'm saying? Think about some of the products now that they bring out every 10 years. You know what I mean? Think about it. It seems like every 10 years they'll resurface an old product that was a good product. They might, shine it up a little bit, or they might keep it original. Say, hey, remember this? This is nice. Bring this back, and people still eat off of it again about every 10 years. Think about it. So you want a product that you can be able to sell forever. Think about it like that. Something that can be a need that you can always sell as long as the economy is going, as long as a person is using a certain thing, you be able to provide it to them. That's the way I look at it. So I try to look at a few different things right now. I'm working on a few different ideas with some shooting targets. I'm working on some ideas with some mobile steps. I'm working on a few ideas with containers. So I have right now three different products that I'm working on. I haven't completely mastered either of the projects, but I have worked on all three of them, and now I'm getting to the point where I can be able to go on and sum some things up. So that's what you want to do. You want to come up with a business. You want to be an individual. You want to be able to sell your services or whatever you're good at, from working on a job, whatever it is. You know what I mean? Be an individual, hustle. And you want to have a product that you can sell that can outlive you. That's the key. If you can do that, man, honestly, there's no limitations. You know what I mean? So I keep telling myself this because I know if I stay at it and I stay focused, I can do it. And I'm gonna show you. That's why I always drop different videos, so you can be able to go back in my archives and actually see how I'm doing this. Because I believe in speaking things into existence, but then I also believe in actions speak louder than words, and faith without works is dead. So develop a business, be an individual and hustle, and have a product that can outlive you. Hog on.